Okay, this is basically a review of our quiz on Chapter 18, Question 4, and this is the worked out solution. And if you'll notice here, we are actually taking our direct materials, our direct labor, and our manufacturing overhead, and those three items make up our product costs, which is our inventoriable product costs. Then you see that we have WIP, work in process. So the easiest way to get to the cost of goods manufactured here is, let's think about WIP in terms of a T account. So we have the beginning balance, and these are our product costs, and let's not forget our three inventory accounts for a manufacturer, right? So we have three inventory accounts for a manufacturer. We have direct materials, we have raw materials. We have raw materials, we have work in process, and then we have finished goods. So those are our three: raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. Those are our three inventory accounts. So we are now looking at WIP, which is our second inventory account. So we have our beginning balances. Then the easiest way to kind of get this is we have our direct materials, our direct labor, our manufacturing overhead like we had right here. So these are those same three. And then we have here cost of goods manufactured to get our ending balance. If we add here our raw materials, we would have beginning balance plus our purchases equals our goods available for sale. And then we would take direct materials used out of raw materials, and then that goes into WIP, which is our direct materials here. Then our last inventory account is finished goods. We would have beginning balance. Then we would move over our cost of goods manufactured, and here would be our cost of goods sold. So that would be our ending balance. So I hope this helps you understand the solution. And here you have the total costs incurred, total cost to account for, and then basically your ending balance. So what you're doing here, your WIP, in this case, your 4,000 would be right here. That's your beginning balance. Your 3,000 would be here. Total to account for is your 4,000 plus your 149,000 to give you the 153. And if you subtract your ending balance, you should get the 150. So hopefully this helps you understand this a little bit better. Great. Have a great day.